Recording. Okay, so what we're doing with today is an audio recording that was done in OBS. We remuxed it down to an MP3 file, but when we drag this file into Audacity, we can see that it doesn't quite load. This is the message you get, which is the file cannot be used unless you use the advanced audio coding file, and it can't open the file, and you need to basically have the optional FFmpeg library, which we don't have. Now, you could try and find the FFmpeg library, and I could go in and Google search it, but what I'm going to show you is how to use the Media Composer, sorry, the Media, what's it called again? It's called Media Encoder for Adobe. This is it. To convert the file that you have into a file that you can use. So when Media Encoder opens up, this is what it looks like. And what this program does is it allows you to change formats of stuff and export it into something that you can use for what you want to do. So I'm going to pull in the original file and I'm going to drop it in there. And you can see here, there's the file. Okay. And then when I click on Output File, I can do presets. So I can export this as a MPEG or WAV file. Let me see. There's waveform audio right down there. Okay. So I've clicked on this. It's going to ask me for the name. It doesn't actually, I don't have to type a name. It'll keep the same naming function, but it's added WAV at the end, and it's going to be dumped into the video category. So it's ready to go. I'm going to press the play button up at the top. So all I did was I dragged it in. I selected WAV, and now I'm going to press this button up here. It's done. That's it. And there's the WAV file right there. And if I move this program out of the way, you should see, and I really hope because it's the first time I'm doing this live, if I drag this over here, ta-da, there it is. And I'm going to click on recording, and now it's recording. And if you were to do a show, for example, you could start with and we're doing this blah, 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 blah. All right, okay. Thanks for watching. So it worked. You've got yourself now the audio file, which you can go in and you can start deleting and tweaking and doing whatever you want to do to the final audio file. So if you have a file format that you cannot use, since you have the Media Encoder software, you can use this to convert files into whatever you want to convert them to. Okay? And hopefully that explains what's going on. Tune in to my next video where I'll be discussing more tools and tricks in using Adobe Creative Cloud. Talk to you soon.